Plan your epitaph day. Morbid bang planuhin kung ano ang isusulat sa lapida mo? Today is National Epitaph Day sa Amerika. It's the day when people think about the words on their gravestone. Karaniwan ang makita ang rest in peace or here lies a loving person. Ganito rin ba ang gusto mo? It's good to take stock of your life every once in a while para hindi tayo magaya sa mga taong katulad ni Jake. Jake spent most of his time and money sa bisyo at pagpaparty. Dahil dito napabayaan niya ang trabaho, iniwan siya ng mga asawa at anak niya, and later on, nagkasakit siya. Dahil sa sobrang pag-inom ng alak at paggamit ng recreational drugs, nagka-liver cancer siya. When the doctor told him that he only had months to live, he couldn't believe it. It was only then he realized that he wasted his life on the wrong things. Can I move back in with you and the kids? Ang tanong ni Jake sa asawa. He wanted to spend his remaining time on earth with his family. His wife, out of mercy and love, forgave him and said yes. Meanwhile, ang mga kainuman niya ay naglaho ng parang bula. Nobody even made any effort kamustahin siya. Ang saklap, di ba? Are you in the middle of making the same mistake as Jake? Sinasayang ang buhay sa mga maling bagay. Think about your epitaph. Make it say that by the grace of God, you lived your life well. Let's pray. Dear God, I admit that I am a sinner who cannot save myself. I need Jesus. Help me live a meaningful life with no regrets. By faith, I know that someday I will be with you in heaven. Isulat mo ang pangalan at birth date mo sa isang papel. Below it, write down what you want to be remembered for. For example, gracious friend, dedicated worker, good son, daughter, compassionate husband, wife, caring father or mother, at iba pa. Make your list as long and as specific as you want. Then pray that God makes you this kind of person. Mas mabuting pumunta sa bahay ng namatayan kaysa bahay na may handaan, pagkat dapat alalahanin ng buhay na siya man ay nakatakdaring mamatay. Ang mga Ngaral 7, verse 2. Ako po si Neo Rivera. God bless you.